Okay, let me retract some of the things that we've discussed about rectilinear motion. So we will go into rectilinear motion and some of the things that we've derived so far. So we've learned that displacement S is equals to some value V bar times time. And we also learned that V bar is V sub F plus V sub I. And we divide this by 2. So again, terms like this. So we have there S, which basically refers to displacement. Another term probably, we have the V bar value. That's the average velocity. Your T is your time. So this is the total time, maybe of traveling. And again, the value V here is an average value, so therefore we indicate it with the bar. Sorry, this is. So this is with a bar. And just like this. So that's our V bar value. So this is being divided. Now, aside from this, we also learned that acceleration A is equivalent to Vf minus V sub I. And we divide the whole thing by letter T. Now, for terms like Vf and V sub I, we mean that they refer to, so V sub F is our final velocity. V sub I is our initial velocity. A there is our acceleration. Okay, Cloydan, what do you mean by acceleration?
Ang ano yan, sir? Kung kada sigon, ano ba, sir?
What do you mean by acceleration? It's the rate of change in
speed, sir.
Change in what?
Velocity.
Velocity. Oh.
Okay, so per unit of time. So it has to be per unit of time ng value. So this is what we mean by our acceleration. And we were able to come up last time with an equation that eventually ends up with S being V sub I. And we multiply that with T. Then we add 1/2 of our A and then T square value. So our T square value is, again, the square of your time, T. So this is getting the displacement given your initial time and acceleration. But basically, if you try to examine this equation, how many unknown values are needed for us to calculate? Julie, Chris, how many variables should be known in order for us to find a value? Like acceleration, for example, like displacement. Did see Julie, Chris, or Bina?
Yes, sir.
Pila ka bilog variable dapat duly Chris ang aton balaan?
Tatlo, sir.
So we must have 3, no? So we must be able to identify, no? You must identify, no? You must be able to identify 3 known values, no? And again, now please remember that, no? Otherwise, no, most likely, no, we will not be able to distinguish, no, or know, no, our value. No? So for example, we have this line. No? Let's start it with a certain box na lang. So if these are object, no, and again, now perhaps that is a vehicle. And this vehicle is, no, we want it to move, no? So gusto siya natin pahulagon, no, in a particular direction. Let's say we want it to move in this manner. So probably we'll encounter terms like, what? Ano ba ang mga terms nga aton pwede ma-encounter, no? So probably, no, we can encounter terms like the object, no, or the vehicle started from rest, no? Now that statement alone, no, is not merely a statement, but it indicates that we can probably say, no, or we can probably imply that the initial velocity of the object is eventually 0. No? So that's one statement. No? So part of the given there is this statement. No? So that statement is not merely, no, a sentence, but it indicates that the initial velocity is 0. Otherwise, no, we will have lacking known values. Another statement probably, no, is that the object, no, eventually stop. No? And the word eventually stop will imply that the final velocity this time is the one that is 0. No? But I believe, no, they could not occur at the same time. No? It could not be that the body started from rest and eventually stopped. No? They could not now be stated all in one, the same situation. Maybe it can only be claimed in one instance of this object. No? Okay, so again, no, some given, no, that is stated in a sentence or in a phrase, no, rather than indicating it with a certain value. No? Hopefully you will remember these statements. No? Now, if you will try to combine, no, our values here, no, so from our expression, hindi nga expression, no, that A is equals to V sub F minus V sub I over T. No? We will also see that we can transform it in such a way that A times T, no, being VF minus VI. No? And if we divide this instead by A, you know, both sides. No? So imagine this being divided by A on both sides. So you started out with an equation AT is equals to VF minus V sub I. No? And then eventually you will divide both sides by A. No? You'll notice that we will end up with an equation that is now, no, T equivalent to VF minus V sub I, no? Where this expression now is being divided by our A. No? So again, this one is merely a result of our previous equation over on this side. Now, if our S value, again, if our S value is equals to V bar times T, no? So V bar is our average value, and V bar is, we can substitute this expression for V bar. And likewise for t, we can also substitute the equation above. No? So we'll notice that s now would eventually be expressed something like vf plus vi, no? All over 2. And on this other side, no, we can express also t being vf minus vi and all over a. No? So completing the expression here. No? So we will have this one. No? So this is our expression for v bar. On this other side, this is our expression for t. No? Our t being again described at the top. No? Now, if we will deal or use our algebra here again, no? And we'll end up with S. And then you'll recall, no, in your algebra. So there's a principle in algebra that if you multiply terms like, so algebra, no, just a little review of algebra. That if we will multiply now x plus y, you multiply that with x minus y, that we will end up with an expression of a squared quantity, no? The difference of two squares. We'll have x squared. Eventually, you'll end up with x squared, no? Minus y squared lang. No? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll have x squared minus y squared, no? A difference of two squares. No? Okay, Ares, ano ni karon ng aton product sa babaw dia?
Ang kwan, sir, displacement, sir.
Yeah,
When the expanded form.
There. Ano karon ng aton algebra? If you multiply the numerator, no? If VF is x, no, and VI is y, you'll have x plus y, then x minus y disappear. What will be the product of our numerator now?
2x.
Looking at the product below sa algebra natin nga review, no? So if x plus y is multiplied by x minus y, anong product yan?
X squared minus y squared, sir.
Okay, so sa babaw karon di, ano man matabo sa atong babaw?
Magiging final velocity plus initial velocity. Final velocity squared plus initial velocity squared. So,
okay, very good.
Minus.
Ma-minus kita, na? So, mayara kita da final velocity square kag initial velocity square. Then ano atong denominator? Our denominator RS is what?
2a, sir. 2a, sir.
We have our 2a. No? So our value, no? So we now divide this. And we square this value. No? Okay, so transforming, ano karon ng atong transformed expression? No? If you try to transform our expression, we can cross multiply 2a with s, no? So you will have 2as. And by the way, s there is a displacement, no? So 2as, then you have your vf square, no? Minus vi square, no? So finally sa dalom, if we will try to transfer v sub I on the other side, no? We could end up with v sub f square being equal to v sub I square plus 2as, no? So naka-square na siya, no? So we will add some squared expressions, anay, no? So this will become square, no? So from here, no, halinde, no, we cross multiply 2a to the left side, no, eventually giving us this value. Now, once we end up with this expression, then we transfer v sub I squared to the left side, no? So amo na ning ayan, no? So BI square, no, added by 2AS will be equals to BF square, no? Again, no, ang reflexivity naman lang atong ginusar de or our symmetric property, no? If A is equals to B, then B is equals to A, no? Again, we transfer B sub I on the left side. So eventually, no, in summary, we have these equations. And these two, no? Plus this one and this expression, no? So mga summary na natin sa ating mga value, no? So basically, this one concludes our rectilinear motion, no? And including this statements, no, allows us to determine, for example, a given situation, no? Sige, mahatag ko example anay, no? I think maybe our time there would be more than 15 minutes na, no? So let's stop the